Good morning, all of you. So, in the previous lecture, we were discussing the effect of the substituents on the orientation and reactivity of the monosubstituted benzene. And so, there we have seen the two different types of reactions of the benzene, in which contains the methyl group as the substituents, and so the reaction of toluene was seen, and the another reaction containing the nitro group as a substituent, so the reactions of nitrobenzene was seen. And in both these reactions, the products obtained were of different types, and so depending upon the substituents, the we have seen there are three types of groups, or the classification of the substituent groups can be done into three different heads, that is the activators, deactivators, deactivators, and role of halogen, and role of halogen. So the groups which have plus I or plus R effect, or plus R effect increases the electron density in the benzene ring and activates the attack of electrophile on the aromatic ring, which is faster, and so the groups are called as activators. So yesterday we have seen the example, that is the methyl benzene. So this methyl group shows the plus I effect, and so activates the benzene nucleus for the electrophilic substitution. And this electrophilic substitution overall takes place majorly at ortho and para position rather than meta position, rather than meta position. And so the groups, the substituent groups like your methyl group are your OCH3, which can donate or shows the plus I or plus R effect, then the NHCOCH3 group, that is the acetanilide group, analyte group, then the OH group, then the all different alkyl groups are all activators or electron releasing to the benzene ring. So, what are the deactivators? Deactivators are the substituents which shows minus I or minus R effect. That is electron, here it is electron donating. Here it is electron donating. Plus I and plus R are electron donating. Minus I and minus R are electron withdrawing. Are electron withdrawing, means they withdraw the electron from the aromatic substituent, aromatic ring. And here this donates the electron to the aromatic ring. And so here this majorly gives the meta substituted product as a major product, and this gives ortho and para substituted as a major product rather than meta, and here meta is the major product rather than ortho and para. And here we have seen the example, that is the substituent like nitro group, which are electron withdrawing, and so the such type of electron withdrawing groups are cyano group, carboxylic group, aldehyde group, then the sulfonyl group. So these are all electron withdrawing, and etc. There are other groups also. Now here this all shows, this all groups may show you minus I or minus R effect, that is electron withdrawing, resonance or inductive effect. In activators you will get that the groups may show plus R plus I, that is positive inductive effect, that is electron donating inductive effect or electron donating resonance effect. But in case of halogens, that is X, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are having a somewhat different role. They are showing moderate minus I effect, moderate minus I effect, and the plus R effect also, plus R effect also. And so here the plus R effect, that is the electron donating resonance effect, predominates the minus I effect and directs the incoming group or the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position rather than rather than meta position. So this is the distinguishing feature between all these three different types of the R groups that are present on the aromatic ring. And so whatever we say, that depending upon the substituent, that is the, if there is any type of substituent that is present, it may be activator, it may be deactivator, you are supposed to get the electrophilic substitution either at ortho position, meta position, or para position. So these hydrogen atoms which are at the different positions, this is ortho, this is ortho, this is meta, this is meta, and this is para. And so here the electrophile may acquire the ortho position and give you a ortho disubstituted product, or it may go to the meta position, it may go to the meta position, or it may go to the para position. The incoming group may go to the para position. So depending on this, this is your 1 2 1 3 situation and 1 4 situation. So depending on this possibilities of getting the different products depends on the type of activating groups, deactivating groups, or the halogen like groups. And so we want to study the theory of the orientation effect, and that is the effect of electron. So first of all we will see the effect of, so first of all we will see effect of electron donating, effect of electron donating groups, or to which we also call it as activating groups, the effect of activating groups. So what happens? So here we will see a simple reaction, that suppose the molecule toluene, which contains the electron donating plus I effect, is allowed to react with an electrophile. And when it reacts with the electrophile, we are having a possibility of getting three different types of intermediates. When the substitution is going to take place at ortho position, when the substituent will, when the electrophile will get substituted at the ortho position, so what will be the situation? Suppose here the CH3, and here the ortho position, the electrophile is substituted at ortho position, we will get the carbocation as an intermediate, we'll get the carbocation as an intermediate. And so this carbocation may be obtained when the substitution takes place at ortho position. Now when it takes place to the meta position, what will happen? So here we will get the intermediate in which here the hydrogen atom and the electrophile, the substitution is taking place at meta position, and the carbocation is formed here. Then if the substitution takes place at para position, if the substitution takes place at para position, here you will see the situation, that is HE, here E, and here the positive charge is seen. Now we have studied the mechanisms of the electrophilic substitution, and we see the consideration of the stability of the intermediate that is obtained. Now we will see the stability of all these three different intermediates obtained on getting the different substitutions. So here the stability of this group we will consider. Here this positive charge will delocalize and you will get the another, sorry, here the positive charge will be here H E, and here this is the methyl group. Then the next stabilization, this electron pair will be given here to this carbocation and you will get the formation of the another carbocation where the positive charge is seen on the carbon bearing the electron donating group. So this is the position, or these are the three different intermediates that are seen in the ortho attack, and so we will name it as 1, 2 and this 3. Now here we will see this resonance stabilization of the meta substituted carbocation where this pi electron will shift towards this carbocation and you will get the another situation where this double bond shifts here, the carbocation that is the positive charge comes here, there is E, and here it's H, here there is the double bond. Now this double bond will shift, or this pi bond will give the electron pair to this carbocation and will give you the another resonance stabilization, that is CH3, here H E, and the positive charge comes here at this position. When the electrophile substitutes at para position, this is the case which we get, and here this electron pair will be given to the carbocation and the resonance will be formed, which will show you that H electrophile, and further this electron pair will be delocalized and you will get and the stabilization of the carbocation which is obtained. Here these are the three resonating structures. So this is number 4, this is number 5, this is number 6, this is number 7, this is number 8, and this is number 9. Now if you just see that which of these 9 resonating structures, which of the structure is more stable resonating structure amongst all these 9. So by virtue you can see that the structure number 3 and the structure number 8, where the positive charge on the ring carbon is present on that carbon where the electron donating group is present. And so this carbocation or this resonating structure number 3 and 8 are more stable. Such type of situation is not seen in the meta substitution, and that's why you are getting the para substituted product or the ortho substituted product as a major product in the reaction where the aromatic ring contains electron donating activating groups. And in the same way, if you see that if the electron withdrawing substituents are present, what is the situation? So here the second situation, that is the effect of electron withdrawing substituents, or to which you can also called as deactivators. And so the deactivating groups are the electron withdrawing groups, which shows either the minus R effect or the minus I effect. And so here we will take an example that the electrophilic substitution of nitrobenzene is taking place, which shows the minus I and minus R effect. Both the effects are seen in this molecule, and so it's a strongly deactivating group. And so if this molecule undergoes electrophilic substitution, we are having a possibility of getting three different products, that is either ortho substituted, meta substituted, or para substituted. So here again we will have to write the all structures. If the substitution takes place at ortho position, here you are going to get this formation of a carbocation. So here the substitution takes place at ortho position. If the substitution takes place at meta position, this is the nitro group, which is electron withdrawing, a strong electron withdrawing. So here you will get H, E, and this is the positive charge. Sorry for it writing the double bond here. So it's a single bond. The pi electrons are given to the electrophile, and so the carbon here at the ortho position becomes positively charged. So this is your meta substituted product. And if the electrophile goes to the para position, again we will get the same type of resonating structures that we have seen in the last reaction, that is H, E. Here the positive charge, sorry, here the double bond is here at this position. This is not the double bond. So here it is a carbocation which is obtained when the substitution takes place at para position. Again, draw the all resonating structures possible in the ring that we have drawn in the last reaction. So here this pi electron will shift here. You will get the shifting of the positive charge from one carbon to the another carbon. Here this is H, this is electrophile. Here again the shifting of this pi electron to the adjacent carbon. Here you will get this situation in which here the nitro group is present. Here the nitro group is present, and the positive charge goes to the carbon bearing the nitro group. Means here instead of donating the electron, this is withdrawing the electron, and so this is most destabilizing structure. So this is the most destabilizing structure, and so the substitution at ortho position cannot take place easily, and so it gives majorly the meta substituted product. Here if you just see that this electron pair is shifted here, and you will get the meta substituted product, and the electron pair, sorry, the positive charge is not going to the carbon bearing the nitro group. And here again you will see, so the positive charge is here, the electrophile, and this is the nitro group. And so if you see such type of destabilization, is not seen in these all three structures, and that's why meta substituted product is a major product when the substituent present in the benzene ring is electron withdrawing, or that is the deactivating. Again here if you just see, here you will get the resonating structure, and here also we get a strongly deactivating, a strongly destabilized structure, here, where the positive charge is on the carbon bearing the electron withdrawing substituent, and so this is the most unstable structure. This is the most unstable, and this is also the most unstable structure, and that's why the ortho and para products are not obtained in this type of reactions, where the substituent, or where the substituent present in the aromatic ring is bearing a, sorry, here the positive charge comes here, the H, E, and sorry, This is the wrong structure. I will write it again here. The nitro group, the electrophile, and the positive charge comes here in this way. So this is the most unstable, structure, and that's why ortho and para products are minor, and meta is obtained as a major product when the substituent present is having strong minus I and minus R effect, that is the deactivating effect. So in this way we can just deal with the effect of the substituents on the aromatic ring and directing the incoming groups to the ortho and para positions. And in the next lecture we will discuss the effect of the halogens. Thank you very much.